Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a general product overview for you guys on the Nordica Milly Wood Cookstove. So the Milly is actually going to be the only Nordica model that offers this nice warming oven option. So backsplashes and warming ovens are super popular requests that I get from my customers looking for a cookstove. So this Milly is a really great option. I'm gonna show you guys inside the firebox, inside the oven. And the Milly has this automatic door close. So like, if I let go, boom. Quite a few of the Nordica stoves do that. All right, showing you inside the firebox. So you do have the cast iron grate. This model does have a cast iron back, and it does have the ceramic side panels. So similar to the America. You can see that your removable rings provide you with direct access for the flame. So that allows you to do wok-style cooking. That's what's pretty cool about the Nordica stoves. Your ash pan is going to be located inside the firebox door, directly below your firebox. Pretty decent size ash pan here. And you can see that the gasket on this model is actually going to be located on the stove itself rather than on the physical door. Inside the oven, so I love the oven on the Milly. This is a very, very nice big baking oven. Probably actually similar to the size on the America, I believe. So this model does give you the enamel pan right here, and it does also come standard with the oven rack. So I believe that just the Milly and the America are going to come standard with the rack and the pan. If you do want extra racks, then you would need to purchase those separately, which you could actually use some more racks in here because this is a nice big oven. Oven clean out on this model is going to be located directly below the oven on the front, which is very nice. Easy access for clean out. Your oven is going to have the gasket on the stove body itself also. This is going to be an enamel lined oven, so you can see the reflection there. I love the enamel ovens because they're super, super easy to keep clean. Here's your cooktop. You do have two different removable ring options here. Your warming oven is going to be located on the top of the stove, and this model has a center flue. So a lot of the Nordica stoves do have an offset on the flue. This one is particularly nice. A lot of people do want that center flue option. So here's something to keep in mind. Here's the inside of your warming oven. So the flue does run through the warming oven. The Milly model will only fit a single wall chimney. No double wall pipe will fit through your warming oven. So keep that in mind when planning your installation. You can see the air holes on the side. Having that single wall pipe and with these air holes around the box, that's what's gonna help your warming oven to heat up. So usually warming oven temperatures range around 250 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope that you guys do find this video helpful. If you like us and like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up on our videos. The more likes, the more subscribers we get, the more videos I will continue to produce for you guys. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of our channel. That'll keep you updated with all of our latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.